Hello students, so let's continue with the next problem. That is problem number 86. The question is the two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3, and if 8 is added to each of them, form a new ratio of 3:4. Find those two numbers. So this is the problem. So here they have given the ratio of two numbers is in the ratio of 2:3. There are two numbers and they are in the ratio of 2:3, and question is if 8 is added to each of them, if we add 8 again to each of those two numbers, so we get a new ratio as 3:4. So what are those two numbers? Those two numbers we have to calculate. So what are those two numbers? Those two numbers are not known, but we know what? We know the ratio of those two numbers is in the ratio of what it is, 2:3. So if we know the ratio of those two numbers, so from the ratio of those two numbers we can easily assume there are two numbers. We can easily assume the two numbers, because later on we have to add how much it is, 8. So if we add 8 to each number and if we calculate the ratio, so definitely the ratio will change. So that ratio comes to how much they are saying, it is 3:4. So we have to find out what are those actual two numbers. What were those two original numbers. So that we have to calculate. So first what do? You assume those two numbers. So those two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. So ratio is known. So I can easily assume the numbers. So I will assume the numbers as what it is, 2x and 3x. So let's assume let the two numbers be, it is 2x and 3x. Now those two numbers are 2x and 3x. First number is 2x, the second number is 3x. Now what I am going to do, in these two numbers I am going to add how much it is, 8. So when you add 8, definitely the number will change, right? So let's calculate the two new numbers. So first you calculate the first new number. So to get the first new number, in the first original number was 2x. In this we have to add how much it is, 8. So 2x plus 8 is my first new number. Like that you calculate the second new number. My second original number was, it is 3x. In this one you add 8. So like this, when you add 8 to those original numbers, so we get these two new numbers. And if you take these new numbers and if you find the ratio comes to, it is how much it is, they are saying 3:4. Now I want to calculate the ratio of these two numbers, right? So how we can calculate the ratio? That first new number is to second new number, or first new number divided by second new number. Anyhow we can write. So I will express the ratio in division form. Clear? So below that, right? First new number you divide by second new number. So first new number, this if you divide by, it is second new number. So we get the ratio of those two new numbers, and that the ratio of those two new numbers come to how much it is given in the problem, 3:4. This must be equal to what it is, 3:4 or 3 divided by 4. Clear? Now first new number, second new number already we have calculated. So put these numbers into the equation and solve it for x. So my first new number is how much it is? 2x plus 8 divided by second new number we have calculated as 3x plus it is 8. This must be equals to what it is? 3 divided by 4. Now solve this equation by doing the cross multiplication, right? So here you write therefore by cross multiplication and do the cross multiplication. Is multiply 2x plus 8 by 4 and this 3x plus 8 by 8 is 3. So let's multiply. It is 2x plus it is 8. This is multiplied by this 4 equals to this 3x plus 8. You have to multiply by what it is 3 and multiply. Open the brackets, right? So 4 into 2x you will get it is 8x plus 4 into 8 you will get 32 equals to 3 into 3x you will get 9x plus 3 into 8 you will get 24. Yeah, like this. Now in 8x we cannot add 32 or in 9x we cannot add 24, but 32, 24 we can solve, 9x and 8x we can solve, and to solve this what you have to do? Transfer, bring this 9x equal to this side, transfer this value to this side and this plus 32 equal to that side. So this 8x I will keep here only, bring this 9x to this side, this is plus, it becomes what it is minus 9x equals to this plus 24 you keep here only and transfer plus 32 equal to that side, this plus becomes here minus 30. Clear? Or from 8x you minus 9x, so 8x minus 9x you will get is minus x, right? It comes to minus x equals to 24 minus 32 you will get it is minus 8, and ultimately this minus get cancelled. So my x value comes to how much it is? 8. So what is that x value here? 8. So I hope it is clear to you all. So x value we have got it is 8. This is not our answer, right? Now whatever x value we have got 8, the same x value if you put into 2x and 3x, because these are my original numbers. Now in these 2x and 3x, if you substitute this x value 8, so we have to get those numbers, right? So let's substitute and calculate the two original numbers. So here you write therefore by substituting x value in the following numbers. Therefore by substituting x value in the following numbers and substitute and calculate one by one, right? So first you calculate the first original number. First original number. My first original number is how much? It is 2x. Right. So wherever x is there you have to put how much here? 8. So substitute. So 2x means what? It is 2 into 8. So 2 8s are how much? It is 16. So my first number is how much? It is 16. Like that you have to calculate second original number. Second original number equals to what it is? 3x. So 3x value is how much? It is 8. So 3 8s are 24. So like this you will come to know those two numbers, right? So here you have write therefore those two numbers are 16 and 24. So like this you will get those two numbers. So this question also they have repeated so many times in the exam, right, for 5 marks. So I hope it is clear how to calculate those two numbers. Or we will take another sum on this. the student. So here is the next sum. So which is similar to previous sum only, right? It is the problem number, it is 7. The two numbers are in the ratio of it is 3:4. If 10 is subtracted from each of them, then the ratio is 1:3. Question is find those two numbers. Only what change they have done here? Instead of saying added, they are saying it is subtracted. In the previous problem they had given if 8 is added to each of them, right? Now here what they are saying, if 10 is subtracted from each of them, then we get a new ratio as 1:3. Find those two numbers. So again those two numbers, the original two numbers are in the ratio of 3:4, and if 10 is subtracted from those original numbers, and if we calculate the ratio, we get the new ratio as 1:3. So again they have asked to calculate what are those two new numbers. So let's calculate those two new numbers. So again from the given ratio, I will assume those two numbers as what it is, 3x and 4x. So let's assume, let the two numbers be 3x and 4x. So these are my original numbers. Now what I am going to do, I am going to minus, right, 10 from each number. Means from this I am going to calculate the two new numbers. So let's calculate those two new numbers. So first to calculate the first new number. First new number will be, my first original number is 3x. From 3x you minus 10. So this is my first new number after deducting. Like that you calculate the second new number. Second new number will be my second original number is 4x. From 4x you minus it is 10. So like this you will come to know those two numbers. First new number after deducting 10 we get 3x minus 10, and second number came to 4x minus 10. Now take these new numbers and find out the ratio. So that ratio comes to what it is, 1:3. So let's calculate those. Let's calculate the ratio of those two new numbers. For that what I am going to do, again I am going to divide first new number by second new number. So let's divide. The equation becomes, that is first new number you divide by second new number. That must be equal to the ratio of two new numbers as it is 1 divided by what it is 3. They have given in the problem it is 1:3. So 1 divided by 3. So put those two new numbers in the equation. So my first new number is, it is 3x minus it is 10 divided by second new number is 4x minus it is 10 equal to what it is, 1 divided by it is 3. And now solve this equation for it is x. Do the by doing the cross multiplication. So below that write, therefore by cross multiplication and do the cross multiplication. Means 3x minus 10 you multiply by 3. 3x minus 10 you have to multiply by it is 3 equal to this 4x minus 10 you have to multiply by it is 1 and multiply. Open the brackets. So 3x minus 10 you multiply by 3. So 3 into 3x you will get it is 9x minus 3 into 10 you will get it is 30 equals to 1 into 4x you will get 4x minus 1 into 10 you will get it is 10. So again see, from 9x we cannot minus 30, or from 4x we cannot minus 10, but 30 and 10 we can solve, 9x and 4x we can solve. So for that bring all x on one side and keep these values on another side. So for that what you do, keep this 9x here only, bring this 4x to this side. So this plus becomes minus 4x is equal to this minus 10 you keep here only, and transfer this minus 30 equal to that side. So this minus 30 becomes here plus 30, like this. Yeah. Now solve this. From 9x to minus 4x you get how much? It is 5x equal to minus 10, and this is plus 30. Minus plus minus. So minus 10 plus 30 will get is plus 20. So it comes to the equation is 5x is equal to 20. So if 5x is equal to 20, I want what is the value of it is x. So bring x outside. So this x is equal to this 20 is divided by what? It is 5. Or x is equal to 20 you divide by 5. So you get how much it is? 4. So my x value comes to how much it is? 4. Now whatever x value I got, substitute the same in the original number. So original numbers were what it is? 3x and 4x. So in this one if you substitute, so we get the new number. So let's substitute. So here I write again, therefore by substituting x value in the following numbers. Now my first original number is first original number. My first original number is how much it is? 3x. So wherever x is there you have to put how much it is? 4. So 3x into 4. So you get how much it is? 12. Like that you calculate the second original number. Second original number is equal to, it is how much? 4x. So it is 4x means what? It is 4 into 4. So you get how much? It is 16. So like this you will come to know those numbers as 12 and 16, right? So below that you write, therefore those original numbers are 12 and 16. Yeah. So this is how you have to find out those two numbers. So problem is almost same only some slight change they have done. In the previous sum they had said it is added 8 to each of them, and here they are saying it is if it is subtracted 10 from each of them. This is the change. So that change you have to note correctly. Yeah. So I hope it is clear to you all these two sums. So in the next video or in the next class I will come with the next problem on ratio. Thank you.